And welcome back. I'm your host, the Diggity Diggity Dr. Bob Lee. Hey, on September the 8th, and the 2018 New York Unity Race will take place, right?
Yes.
You do it each and every year. And joining us with the preview, we have Director of Crotona Park Running Club, Abiodun Bello.
Abiodun Bello,
Yeah.
yes.
Abi. Can I call you Abi?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
That's what
Okay.
everybody calls me.
Everybody
so.
calls you Abi?
Yeah,
Okay.
most people, yeah.
I'll be sure to mention it the next time. All right, so you've been doing this park for some time. How long have you been doing it for?
This is our 40 years. We started 40 years.
40?
40.
14?
No, four.
Oh, 4 years, 4
years.
years. Yeah. Okay, 4 years. And what did you do last year? And how are you going to do it better this year?
You know, every year we've been doing a lot of things better than the year before, and
Yeah.
we've been growing every single year. So in this year, we have a lot of other organizations that are coming in to join us. So we've been growing every single year since we started 4 years ago.
Yeah, 4 years ago.
4 years
and
ago.
so if we come to the park, what do we see? What's going to be
Well,
the young lady before you is doing something over there
It's
too.
doing
in the park.
something over there.
Liz got something
yeah,
going on.
because Crotona Running Club, what we're going to do is we have a race coming up on September 14. The actual started for strengthening our community. That's the purpose of the race. And also to build a relationship between the NYPD and the community itself.
Yeah.
So you're going to see on that day the public and the NYC running together.
Running together.
Yes.
Running together.
That's the whole idea of the
And they do a number of things like that too. They do Family Day. They do Harmony Day. They just had National Night Out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, they do all that, but this one is going to be different because you're going to be running side by side with the NYPD.
Yeah.
And we're going to have other programs that we want to implement. It's not only running. There's other programs that we want to incorporate after running with the Crotona Running Club.
What are some of those programs?
Well, the first thing we're going to do is, you see, running, once we strengthen our community, we're going to use what we call community development. So in our community development, we're going to have some program geared towards the youth so that they can be a better citizen in the society. One of those programs we're going to start after the race is like computer program, how to build a computer from the scratch.
Wow.
So it's going to be like a cash program for some of those guys running around the streets selling a candy. They don't have to do that. They can just do some simple program that they can be a better citizen in society. We're going to start that after the race. But we have to come together, strengthen the community first before we do all those things. The proceeds from the race will go towards those programs that we want to implement in the community.
How do people get involved in the race? You said proceeds from the race. Are they going to pay to sign up to get in the race?
Well, the race is kids under 12 run for free.
Yeah.
Anything above 12 is $25. And you can go to nyunityrace.com to register. And you can also look at us on the Facebook. You can register before the race. The day of the race, from 8 to 9:30, you can also do same-day registration on the day of the race. But we encourage everybody to register online before the day of the registration.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that would be the best.
And people can they can donate too if they don't want to run. They can
Yes, if you don't want to run, you can donate because we make the program, we gear it towards the youth, you know, all those kids. They're going to run for free. And because you better catch them early so that they can be strong and to be productive to society. So every kid.
That's what Liz was saying too. She had to jump on her kids in junior high school. So the earlier you catch them, the better.
Well, yeah, my
them.
kids, I started, yes, you can
because after you get them in high school, they're like, this is me now. You know,
it's very difficult.
The adolescent stage is something else.
Yeah, but you want them to be strong at the early stage, so they can all those things, negative things outside there. If they have a strong mind, they should be able to.
What made you want to get involved in this? What took place in your life and in your mind that said, you know what, I want to help youngsters to become strong people in our society?
Well, I've been helping young, strong guys since my kids in elementary school. You know, I was a PTA president at one time. I was on the school board. I was been doing things for the kids. But when I moved to the Bronx, and I look at almost everybody is overweight.
Yeah.
And the kids are overweight. You could see, and they said the Bronx is the unhealthy place in the United States.
They said it was the most yeah.
Yeah, and also if you look at 62 county in New York State, Bronx is the last. So, and you know, before I used to jog every day. So I called a couple of my friends. I said, you know what, I want to start a running club. I want to be running.
Yeah.
And we're going to help these kids to just come out, exercise and run. And then we can start other program. That's where it started.
Yeah.
And we started running every Saturday and Sunday in the morning. And it's not only running we're doing now, we also have a yoga program for the people to do yoga on Saturday. And it's free. The yoga program is free. Every Saturday you can just come and do yoga.
Why do you think these activities, these fitness activities are so important in your mind?
Well, I can, you know, for my, you know, I just use my own as an example because I think being part of organized sport helped me in life, you know, every adversity. I know that.
What did you play?
I used to play soccer.
Oh, okay.
When I was in school, and I used to run also.
You had skills. You were good.
Yeah, you know, I was good. I used to play. But you see that, you know, that would take you out of trouble if you have a strong mind. You play soccer or you play tennis, any sport that they play. Running,
because there's a discipline that comes along with it. You can't just run out there and play. You pull a muscle. You have to prepare. I was talking to Liz about it. You have to prepare.
You have to have team sport.
You have to discipline yourself to do the things necessary.
You know, I used to run every Saturday. No matter whether it rain or not, to go at 8 o'clock. You have to have a strong mind to do that. So that's what we're trying to do. That every Saturday, just come out, jog, run, walk, do whatever you want to do. And now the summertime, we have a yoga program. Every Saturday, people come and do yoga. And
you just
free.
Started that?
Well, we started the yoga only in the summertime that we do the yoga every Saturday from 9 to 10.
And this is all in Crotona Park?
It's all in Crotona Park. The yoga program is 9 to 10 in Crotona.
Bring your own
only
mat,
this summer.
or just lay out on the grass?
Well, bring your own mat or just lay out on the ground. But that is the whole idea. All the fitness activities that we're going to be doing.
You have partners working with you?
Well, we have some, you know, sponsors like Carrie Lee have been helping us from day one. You know, there is also one union helping us. The Council Woman Vanessa Gibson have been helping us.
Oh, Vanessa, big up to Vanessa Gibson. She does some great work in our community.
And all the elected officials also, we've been getting help from them, which is good, you know, because we need that for them to survive, to do the kind of program we're doing. And the Parks Department and the police also, I have to mention that.
Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, the police have been helping us, and the Parks Department. We couldn't do it without the Parks Department, you know, because they provide the location, and the police, the logistics. So I have to thank the NYPD and the Parks Department for doing that.
There you go.
You know, so.
Where do people go for more information?
Well, they can go to NewYorkUnityRace.com to get where to register. And from there, it takes them to the link to register for the race.
Give him a big hand, everybody. Abiodun Bello, Director, Crotona Park Running Club. Abby out. Yes, indeed, my brother.
Are you coming this year?
I'm going to try
you know,
my best.
Max was there the first year. Max ran the first year.
Yeah, he runs in all of that stuff.
So
I'm sure
I'm still
Michael Maxnabi will probably be there because if there's a run involved or anything else like that,
I want to thank him also.
He will be there.
And maybe you can come also this year.
I'm going to try my best to look at the date, okay?
Look at the date, September 8th.
All right. Thank you, Abby. All right, we'll take a quick break and we'll be right back with more next.